and salts, part 3. In your previous classes, part 1, part 2, you studied what are acids and what are the properties of acids and what are indicators. In this class, you will learn what are bases, what are the properties of bases. We will study all these properties in detail. Before going to watch my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Okay? To watch my further lessons, do subscribe to my channel.
Welcome to my class, Acids and Bases Part 3. In this class, we will learn what are bases and what are the properties of bases and examples for bases. See, what is a base? Base is an oxide or hydroxide. What is that? An oxide or hydroxide of a metal. So, what is a base? A base is an oxide or hydroxide. What is that? Hydroxide of a metal. Examples for bases. See, what is a base? Base is an oxide or hydroxide of a metal. Examples. So many examples we can take. Here I am giving sodium hydroxide. What is this? Sodium hydroxide. Second one, potassium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. Again, see this one, metal oxide, sodium oxide, it is a metal oxide, Na2O, sodium oxide, magnesium hydroxide, These are all the few examples: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, sodium oxide and magnesium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. These are all the examples. Metal hydroxide. Next, metal oxide. This is the metal oxide. Calcium oxide also. Okay, this is also considered as a base. Here you observe this one I am showing here. This is potassium hydroxide. What is that? Potassium hydroxide. Next, you observe this one. This is ammonium hydroxide. This one is calcium hydroxide. What is this? Calcium hydroxide. If you observe this carefully, you see this one. This is ammonium hydroxide. This is calcium hydroxide. If you observe this carefully, see this one. This is completely soluble in water. This ammonium hydroxide, the base is completely soluble in water, but whereas here this is not completely soluble in water. It is not completely soluble. It is incomplete. It is not completely soluble. Okay, you can find white color here somewhere. Are you clear about that one? So these bases, if you observe this one, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, these are completely soluble in water. Those bases are known as, what we call them? Alkali. What we call them? Alkali. These are known as alkalis. What are alkalis? The bases which are completely soluble in water. These are known as, what we call them? Alkalis. So what are alkalis? Alkalis are the bases that are completely soluble in water. Completely soluble in water. So all bases are not alkalis. All bases are not alkalis. One thing you have to remember, all bases are not alkalis, but all alkalis are bases. All alkalis are bases. Are you clear about that one? So this is about what is a base. Next, what are alkalis? What are alkalis? Examples for alkalis is sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. So few bases are not soluble in water. Okay, they are not considered as the alkalis. The bases which are only soluble, completely soluble in water are considered as the alkalis. Are you clear about that one? Okay.